Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my two casses. Goes one right here. Raw meat. I'll be posting this like later or whatever. So they don't get this all the time. They don't get chicken all the time. They get more than just chicken. But I'm just going to show you just a little bit. I'm going to cut this up off camera, and then this is liver, pork liver, and beef kidney for him, which he'll probably get some samples in a minute. And this chicken is mainly for her because she can't have anything pork or beef or whatever, any that's not bird. So we're gonna do that, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. And this is what tools I'm gonna be using today to cut all this up. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is what I did off camera. I cut each of them their meats. This is the peonies, aka Spock's meal. And this is Misa's side. She gets all chicken and chicken liver. And he gets a variety of pork liver, pork kidney, chicken livers, a little bit, and the chicken. So that's that, and that's what I usually do. And there goes pizza. They had their little samples, and that's how I prepare their meals. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, it's hard to cut this while you're holding a camera. Two.